video 3, unusual feature, everyone takes this for granted, but being a boy of the University of Highlands and Islands, a place that I've visited a number of times, you can clearly see it, this is a peat cutting area. This is actually for cutting peat for fuel. And it's a really nice feature because nobody talks about peat cutting in the Rhondda Valley. Nobody talks about it. So peat would have come up here, they would have cut peat, and peat burned at 250 degrees C. And it would have been it would have been stacked up somewhere around here in slabs, and then it would have sort of dried out and it taken away for fuel. So you can see the sort of outcropping below, so it's a really thin layer of peat, typical of what I would see in Orkney, but same type of landscape really. There might not be many hills in Orkney, but that's the type of thing we're talking about. Anyway, this is video 3, Karl-James Langford, Archaeology Cymru, Penrhys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and even join. If you join, you get some nice little treats. Thank you. Video 4 to come.